Alright guys, I'm back and I thought about this a little bit and I need to create a new variable called jumping. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to use, probably won't need a variable for starting a jump, I might though. So variable jumping, it's going to be a boolean, not boolean, and by default going to be false. And basically, I don't think we even need it. Well, I guess we do. Because we don't want you to be able to jump again while you're jumping. But basically, all of this code here, bam, 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 bam. This is all going to be within an if statement, basically saying if controller, I think that should work, is grounded. So only if the character is touching the ground, normally. Not like hanging on a wall or something, or any of the other stuff I'm going to allow. It's not gonna allow you to move around and shit. Okay, this might be a bit wrong. I think I might have done that wrong. Especially since it's not letting me look around or do anything. Because by default the character is not grounded. Shit. That is fine. I do need to get rid of this. This all here. Yeah, that is camera controls, and that is part of the update no matter what. I'm gonna start having to comment and separate this code now. Hello. Hello. So this is camera controls. And this is this will be movement. Ground movement. This will be the ground movement section. Actually, this is pretty useful. I don't usually use comments, but it seems it'll probably be pretty useful. Now, we need to have something happen when the mouse is pressed. And for that, we're going to need to research rays. I need to take a look at input.mouse position. Here we are, input.mouse position. Yes, construct a ray. See, you can use the input mouse position to create rays and use a physics raycast. Raycasts are important. Let me do some reading. Alright, thinking over, thinking done. And I just realized that for our purposes, we don't need to do a physics raycast at the moment. We just need to use this. So we're going to make a new ray, and we're going to see. Basically, what screen point array does, it's a camera function. It's a function of the main camera that takes an input, a pixel coordinate, and then makes a ray pointing from the camera to that coordinate. Now, I'm assuming rays have directions. Alright, so let me just see if... Okay, camera main. Okay, now I'm looking for the screen point array. What does this do? Returns a ray going from camera through a screen point. Resulting ray is in world space. That's fine with me. Starting on near plane of camera, on the near plane of the camera, and going through the positions X, Y pixel coordinates on the screen. What do you mean position Z is ignored? Doesn't matter. Screen space is defined in pixels. So ray dot direction. So I'll have to debug with that first, just so I can get an idea. I'm gonna say now. Can you? No, yeah, you can. You can definitely detect mouse presses. So if input dot get mouse button zero, input get mouse button, yeah, returns where the given mouse button is held down. What do you mean held down? I might want. Okay, 0 is left click. Get button down returns true during the frame the user pressed the given mouse button. So that's what we want. So we want get mouse button down, not just get mouse button. Great. If input dot get mouse button down 0, then do this. So I'm gonna start using some debug. No, not yet. I need to camera. No. What is it? I'm gonna make a new variable called ray, and it's going to be a ray. How can you imagine? Like, who knew? Who knew it was gonna be a ray? Wow. And what I'm gonna do now is, oh man, I'm not sure if my humor is good or bad. It's probably really, really bad. What I'm gonna do with the ray. Summer, I'm sweating. Oh yeah, ray, I'm gonna set it equal to camera. No. Camera dot main. Ah, this is getting annoying. I might as well. Bam. Camera dot main dot screen point to ray, and it takes a mouse position. Input dot mouse position, bam, 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 cut equals paste, and there we have it. See, that's what the thing is. Sometimes it doesn't work when you're typing in a statement and you have to like get a fresh line or something, and I'm not sure why that is. Also, there appears to be a new Unity engine with inbuilt animations and stuff, so it's all really good and stuff, but I'm not getting it because I don't want to lose I'm not sure how compatible the engines are, the versions are, and I don't want to have to learn all this again. I don't want to have to learn Unity again either. Not that I know terribly much about it. Don't really know that much about it. So now, in the future, we'll be using this ray to get the character jumping in that general direction. But for the moment, I'm going to debug with it. I'm going to draw a ray. I like how you can't just draw. You can't just put rays in debug, draw ray. Debug, draw, ray. Okay, I'll see you guys next time when I debug this stuff. Bye.